In this video, we listed the 5 best foldable electric bikes on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. EKX XT5 Folding Adults Electric Bicycle. The EKX XT5 Folding Adults Electric Bicycle is a compact and versatile transportation option designed for urban commuters and recreational riders alike. Featuring a 500W brushless motor, this electric bicycle offers efficient propulsion for navigating city streets and suburban roads with ease. One of the standout features of the EKX XT5 is its folding design, which enhances portability and makes it convenient for users to store or transport the bike when not in use. This foldable functionality adds a layer of versatility, allowing riders to easily bring the bike onto public transportation or store it in small living spaces. Constructed from aluminum alloy, the frame of the EKX XT5 strikes a balance between durability and lightweight design, ensuring a sturdy ride while also being easy to handle. This makes it suitable for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation for their daily commute or leisurely rides around town. The lithium battery powering the EKX XT5 provides ample range for most urban journeys, offering users the convenience of extended riding without the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, the bike's moped-style configuration further enhances its usability, providing a comfortable and intuitive riding experience for individuals of varying skill levels. Number 2. DPOWER H20 Electric Bicycle. The DPOWER H20 Electric Bicycle is a robust and versatile mode of transportation, offering an innovative solution for outdoor enthusiasts and commuters alike. With its 48V 1000W motor, this electric bike provides ample power to navigate various terrains effortlessly, including mountain trails, snowy paths, and urban streets. One of the standout features of the DPOWER H20 is its fat tire design, which enhances stability and traction, especially on uneven surfaces. The 20-inch wheels equipped with fat tires ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even in challenging conditions such as snow or sand. Designed for convenience and portability, the DPOWER H20 is a folding electric bike, making it easy to store and transport when not in use. This feature is particularly advantageous for commuters who may need to combine cycling with other modes of transportation or for those with limited storage space. Equipped with a 15Ah lithium-ion battery, the DPOWER H20 offers a generous range, allowing riders to cover longer distances without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the bike's folding frame does not compromise on durability or structural integrity, ensuring reliability during extended use. Number 3. H20 Electric Bicycle. The H20 Electric Bicycle is a robust and versatile electric bike designed for outdoor enthusiasts, particularly those who enjoy mountain biking and traversing various terrains, including snow. With its 48V 1000W motor, this electric bike offers powerful performance, making it suitable for tackling challenging trails and hills with ease. One of the standout features of the H20 electric bicycle is its fat tires, which provide enhanced traction and stability on different surfaces, including snow and sand. This makes it an ideal choice for riders looking to explore off-road environments and enjoy adventures in diverse weather conditions. Furthermore, the bike's folding design adds to its practicality, allowing for easy transportation and storage when not in use. Whether you're commuting through urban environments or embarking on outdoor adventures, the H20 electric bicycle offers convenience and versatility. Additionally, the bike boasts waterproof construction, ensuring durability and reliability even in wet and muddy conditions. This feature enhances its suitability for outdoor use and adds to its longevity. Number 4. BTN e-Bike. Their BTN e-Bike is renowned for its best-in-class features, including a folding frame, fat tires, full suspension, and a 500W electric motor. The 20-inch wheels contribute to its compact size, allowing for easy storage and transportation, especially in urban environments where space is limited. Equipped with electric pedal assistance, this e-bike provides riders with an extra boost, enabling them to conquer hills and cover longer distances with less effort. The foldable design adds to its practicality, allowing users to easily store it in small spaces like apartments, offices, or car trunks. The fat tires and full suspension system ensure a comfortable ride even on rough terrain, making it suitable for both city streets and off-road trails. Whether navigating through crowded urban streets or exploring nature paths, the BTN e-bike offers stability and control. Number 5. Electric Bicycle Bike. Electric bicycle bike refers to a modern form of transportation that integrates traditional biking with electric motor assistance. This hybrid vehicle combines the health benefits and simplicity of traditional cycling with the added advantage of an electric motor, providing riders with options for varying levels of assistance and speed. The e-bike kit mentioned, which includes a rear cassette motor wheel hub motor and a conversion kit with a battery, is designed to retrofit conventional bicycles into electric ones. It offers different power options, such as 48V 1500W, 1000W, or 500W, catering to varying preferences and needs. The 36V 250W electric bicycle bike conversion kit is particularly notable for its efficiency and versatility, allowing cyclists to upgrade their bikes to electric ones without needing to purchase an entirely new vehicle. Such kits offer an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for individuals seeking to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying the benefits of electric transportation. Additionally, they promote physical activity by encouraging more people to bike, even over longer distances or challenging terrains, thanks to the electric motor assistance. Overall, electric bicycle bikes represent a sustainable and convenient mode of transportation suitable for urban commuting, recreational cycling, and beyond.